Hi everyone, this is an introductory chair routine. It's for your legs. Make sure that your chair is a sturdy chair. If it's not too sturdy, make sure you put a weight or something on to hold it in place. Don't press too hard on the back, just lightly put your hand on the chair. You can use the chair throughout the whole routine, or if you want to walk without the chair or do some of the routines without the chair, that is fine also. This is a good introduction routine. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get going.
Tell me
moment to pause and breathe naturally. Today you gave your body the chance to feel steady, supported and capable. Using the chair is a smart choice. It allows you to focus on balance without rushing or fear. Every controlled movement you made helped strengthen your legs, improve coordination and build trust in yourself. Notice how grounded you feel right now. That steadiness can stay with you as you walk, stand and move through the day. Come back to this routine whenever you want to feel more confident on your feet. You're moving with care, strength and purpose, and that truly matters.